Hello sir, hello guys. Natay problem about sa Maxwell equations using Faraday's law. So, a solenoid is placed in a uniform magnetic field. The solenoid consists of 9 turns. The magnetic flux changes at a constant rate in a time interval of 6 seconds. The EMF induced in the coil is 20.19 volts. Determine the magnitude of the change in magnetic flux. So using Faraday's law, ang equation na niya is epsilon equals to, since kay ang using magtag right hand rule, which is pa right, so ang flow ana niya is counterclockwise, so negative, clockwise, so negative, and times changes sa magnetic flux over changes sa time. So nanatay epsilon or EMF induced, which is 20.19 volts, equals to nanatay number of turns, which is 9, times nato na siya sa flux, which is ato pang pangitaon, over ang time na to is 6 seconds. So atong i-times na siya, atong correspond ang final answer ana niya is negative 13.46 Weber. Mano siya ang final answer, which is ang changes in magnetic flux. Thank you sir, and thank you everyone.